And there are a lot of penalties that could have been called, but they could have been balled both ways.
Come on, Michael.
The problem is you get these refs the next game physical like this, and then the ticky tackles the next game and it throws us off.
There's been at least one game where I've seen it just escalate until they had to say something. For both sides. Come on, Zach. Come on, Zach. Oh, don't give it up.
Good
Okay, Michael, take it. Should have hung on to it past the good one. Good move, good move. Everybody was going that way but Kyle. That was great. Ah, shit. Still in? Get it out this time. Get it out this time.
Shit, that's ice.
Yeah.